So this is going to be a quick video where I show how you can send a PDF as an attachment when you're using the send an email node in n8n. So you'll see if we open this up, we have already set up our credential. I'm actually using Gmail under the hood here, and we're going to send a PDF that we're going to create in the previous step. So I'm using DocuPotion. It's a third-party tool you can use to generate PDF templates. And you'll see when I run this workflow or this step here, we're going to get a PDF output. And if we download that and open it up, you'll see we have our nicely formatted PDF proposal here, and we want to send that in the next step in the workflow. And the thing that usually tricks people up here is referencing the PDF. So what we're going to do to attach it is we're going to click on the add option button here. We're going to click on attachments, and then instead of trying to drag one of these expressions in here, so dragging success or format, because that's not actually the PDF file, we need to reference the binary itself. And the way we do that is by clicking on the binary up here and then typing in the literal name of our file. So in our case, that's going to be data. And if I click execute step now, that PDF is going to be sent as an attachment because we've included data. So if I go into my inbox and I open up that email, you'll see here we have our nicely formatted PDF document. So that's the trick involved in using the send an email node. You have to actually type in the literal name of the binary here, in our case data, and that will attach the PDF to your email. So I hope that's been useful.